We'll see in another sum. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. So salary in 1995 is 5,000. That is called A, or you can call also T1. This is given. Okay, 5,000. This is statement 1. And statement 2. Statement 2 says received rupees 200 raise. Raise means income. Salary increase every year. So 1996 it's 5,000 plus 200. This is called A2, or you can call it also T2. So the common difference is nothing but T2 minus T1. Common difference is 5,200 minus 5,000. That is T2 minus T1 is equal to 200. That we got it here. In the next year, 1997, it starts from 1995. So you add the annual increase, salary increase, 5,400. Like that it goes on. Now, in a particular year, nth year, his total salary becomes 7,000. We have to find the nth year, which year the salary becomes 7,000. So this 7,000 is called TNRL. So you can use this formula, or if you want, you can use the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into T also. In both the formulas, you have to find the value of n. This formula straight you get the value of n. So n equal to L minus A. L is the 7,000. This is called L. This is called A. Annual increase is called D. So you get n equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 by 200, which is actually 10 plus 1. So after 11 years, you will get this increase. So it starts with 1995 plus 11 years. In 2006, his salary will be 7,000 rupees. So try this sum. You can understand the concept easily, how a AP operates, the nth term operates. Now this question says, for what value of n, the nth terms of the AP, there are two arithmetic progression given, and they are telling the nth terms are equal. So first we'll do part 1. In part 1, they are given an AP1, arithmetic progression 1, and arithmetic progression 2. So it says here 63, 65, 67 dot dot dot. The first term is A is called 63. The common difference is nothing but T2 minus T1, which is 65 minus 63 is 2. So D is equal to 2. And the last term is called Tn, which is equal to L. Coming to the second sequence, 3, 10, 17, dot dot dot. We know the first term A is 3. And again the common difference is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So D is equal to 7. It clearly says the last term is called Tn equal to L. It says the nth term, this Tn are equal. See, the nth terms are equal. So these both are equal in this. And we have to find the value of n. So they ask n equal to question mark. So both the sides will put the formula n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Now n also we don't know, L also we don't know, and that is why they give two equations. So n we have to find out, n equal to question mark, n equal to L we put as it is. A is actually 63. By the common difference D is 2, and put plus 1 separately. Now bring the 1 this side. It will become n minus 1 is equal to L minus 63 by 2. Now take the 2 that side. 2 into n minus 1 is equal to L minus 63. Now when you expand, you get 2n minus 2, bring the 63 also this side, plus 63 equal to L. You get 2n plus 61 equal to L, or L is equal to 2n plus 61. Call this equation number 1. Now come to the other side, use the formula again. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. It says clearly both the L are same. The nth term, the last term, L are equal for both the sequence. So keep same L. This also you keep it as L, this also you keep it as L. And if they are equal, what is the value of N? So N you keep, we don't know, L is actually L only. Here the A is 3. The common difference is 7. Put plus 1, bring the 1 this side. N minus 1 equal to L minus 3 by 7. Take the 7 here. If you take the 7 here, you get 7 into N minus 1 is L minus 3. You multiply 7n minus 7, bring the 3 also this side, plus 3 equal to L. You get 7n minus 4 equal to L. L is equal to 7n minus 4. Call this equation number 2. This is part 1. So part 1 I will explain fast again. There are two arithmetic progressions given, A and B. It seems the last term, nth term, Tn equal to L. Here also the last terms are equal and N equal to question mark. Now both sides you put the formula. The first sequence has A, D. Second sequence has different A and D. From this you get the value of L in both the sequence. Now it says L are equal. We'll go to part 2. We'll rub it off. So from part 1 we'll make it part 2. From part 1 what we got was, put part 2 here. So we got L is Tn is nothing but called by the word L. L is equal to 2n plus 61. This is equation number 1. And again you get Tn equal to L is equal to 7n minus 4. This is equation 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. The left hand sides are equal, therefore the right hand side should be equal. So again I repeat, the left hand sides are equal is given. Okay, nth terms are equal. Nth terms are equal given. So this is equal. So the right hand side should be equal. You get 2n plus 61 equal to 7n minus 4. Take the n this side and 4 this side. 61 plus 4 equal to 7n minus 2n. 65 equal to 5n, or 5n equal to 65. N is equal to 65 by 5. N is equal to 13. N, you get the answer as 13. The question was find the value of n. This is the question, and that we got it here. This sum also you practice slowly. These kind of models will give you good idea. Dear students, this finishes session 3. We have did various sums with the nth term, statement sums, and various miscellaneous sums we did it. Please practice the sums slowly one by one, and any doubts you can post it. Practicing is very important, and formulas you write in the last page so that you can easily remember it. Now we will go to session 4 after this. Thank you.